There's a slight chance that we might be lost in the jungle.
Very big chance. Look at the sand. Isn't that weird? It reminds me of crushed up Oreos.
Baby, we're children of summer. We're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the other. No reason to be.
Good morning!
Good morning, aloha!
Aloha! We are starting the day off with Road to Honor. No, actually I took Bonine. Basically like Dramamine, supposed to make you less drowsy. So far so good. It's been working. Is that the trail?
I think so.
That might be the trail. Anyways, so far so good. I haven't gotten sick yet. But we just started the road and we're actually about to head out on our first hike into this bamboo forest. It looks crazy. Are you taking us somewhere safe?
Sure, always.
So here's the trail. It looks like this crazy, I don't know. Is this it?
This might be, yeah, maybe. Let's try it.
Is that the trail? Okay, so that's the trail. It's maybe a tiny bit better than the other trail. Whoa. It's like a bamboo maze.
Through the bamboo forest we go.
This is so cool.
It looks really neat.
I don't know about that. Ooh, my adrenaline is pumping. That was scary for me.
Oh, crossing the river.
Crossing that like raging waterfall river with just like that board. Gigi convinced me I could do it though.
Gigi did it.
Gigi did it too.
Gigi did it first.
I know.
How are your shoes holding up?
They are.
I'm gonna see a panda bear.
Never been in a bamboo forest like this before.
I know, it's so cool.
It's crazy. It gets so tall and so thick.
Yeah.
Look at it. Wow.
That's probably like 20 feet.
How is it back there, Junie?
She's real tall with this little cover.
What do you see?
She keeps saying walk, walk.
Whoa, she's looking all
Is
around.
it cool? That's bamboo. Can you say
Bamboo.
bamboo? Can you say
She
bamboo?
says walk. Whoa, doing the limbo. Here's the first waterfall, you guys. We found one. Whoa, this is so cool. Whoa, that is so cool. First waterfall. I think there's another one down the trail, so we're gonna keep going. Whew. Probably one of the craziest hikes in my life. We've now taken 2 detours and found ourselves off the trail. No second waterfall yet. Covered in dirt, mud, bug bites, sweat, but everyone's good.
We are having fun.
Okay, so this is where we came from.
Okay, so we were supposed to go down?
I think so.
Okay. There's a slight chance that we might be lost in the jungle.
Very big chance.
I'm like, oh my gosh.
Is there skin under this dirt? That was crazy.
I feel like I've been lost in the rainforest for a week.
Yeah, it feels like it definitely. So we found 2 waterfalls. One of them was not one that we were planning to see, but
Yeah.
that was an amazing jungle adventure.
Let's head on.
Glad we found our way out and weren't lost forever.
This was only our first stop too. More to come.
Wow, feels like it's been a day. Okay, we're taking a lunch pit stop. So far, so good. You guys, I'm not feeling sick. I am feeling a little bit drugged. But I haven't been car sick this whole drive, which has been amazing. But we're all a little bit hungry, so we're eating some lunch before we make it to Hana. You see the ocean? Ocean! So we just made it to this black sand beach. It's pretty windy, so I don't know if you can hear very well, but it's so cool. Wow, what do you think?
Look at the sand. Isn't that weird? It reminds me of crushed up Oreos.
Best friend. Best friend, yeah, it hurts a bit. I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. I need to tell you, you were my best friend to the end. I hope I'll be happy without you. Right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over. You chose someone else, best friend.
All right, you guys, we made it to Hana. Good job, my
We made it to
love.
Hana.
You did so good.
And now we're going back.
Pop that pill. Dramamine. Or bromine. What is it?
I don't know.
I don't know what it is. Oh, bonine.
Bone.
Bonine. June, how'd you do? Oh, you looking good. You want to tell them about it? Okay, here. How was your drive? Say hi, guys. It also goes 45 minutes longer. So we're not going to do that today. We're going to head home. Can you say, hang loose?
Hang loose. Okay, after making it to Hana, we're heading back to town, and there's just one more stop we've got to do. Totally necessary. If you do this, you gotta get this ice cream.
Here you go, Junie. Here's your coconut ice cream.
Coconut ice cream.